Okay, double 2 plus infinity time quadratic formula over hyper.
Hey, welcome to Maths Code, my new channel. I'll be posting educational videos. Well, hopefully they're educational. Today we'll be solving simultaneous equations. First of all, you'd like to choose which variable you'd like to eliminate, and in this case I'll choose x. Wait, no, in this case you don't even have to choose because both y's are the same. So the equation is 5x plus 3y equals to 41. That's the first one. And then the second one is 2x plus 3y equals to 20. You just subtract them. And over here, you're going to be left with 3x. And then down here, nothing. Because they're going to cancel each other out. These cancel each other out. And then you're going to be left with 21. And then you divide by 3. And once you've divided by 3, you're going to get x is equals to 7. Because 7 times 3 is 21. So that's your x. And then from there, you're going to take this x and then plug it back into one of the equations up here. In this case, I will plug it in the first one. So it's going to be 5 times 7 because we've replaced the x with the 7. And then plus 3y equals to 41. 5 times 7 is 35 plus 3y is equals to 41. And then from here, we're going to take this 35 onto this side. It's going to be 3y is equals to 41 minus 35. So, yeah. So it's going to be 3y is equals to 41 minus 35 is 6. So we're going to have 6. So y, and then you divide this by 3. So y is equals to 2. So we have our y. And we have our x. So if you want to check furthermore if this is right, you can plug in the numbers on the bottom one. So we're going to use the equation 2x plus 3y is equals to 20. So if you plug in the numbers we got, they should give us 20. So over here is going to be 2 times our x, which is 7, plus our y, which is 2, which will give us 7 times 2 is 14 plus 6, which will give us 20, which means, yeah, the answer is correct. All right, moving on to the next question. It looks like the previous question, but it's slightly different because of the signs used. So it's 5x plus y. I'm going to try to write a bit bigger, equals 11, and 3x minus y equals to 9. So because of the signs over here, we're going to add. So we get rid of the y. So it's going to be a plus. So it's going to be 8x equals to 20. So we divide by 8. and x is equals to 2.5. So we're then gonna take this 2.5 and plug it into the first equation like before. So it's going to be 5 times 2.5 plus y equals to 11. And 5 times 2.5 is 12.5. So 12.5 plus y equals to 11. So we take this 12.5 to this side. So y is equals to negative 1.5. Okay. So then we have our y. We can check with the second equation. 3 times 2.5 minus 1.5 supposed to equals to, let's see, 3 times 2.5 is equals to 7.5. 7.5 plus, because this is gonna equate to a plus. This, a minus and a minus will give you an addition, so plus 1.5, which will end up giving you 9. So these are answers right. So our x equals to 2.5 and our y is equals to negative 1.5. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll upload a second part to this with 2 more questions, or maybe even 3, and also a third part. I'll try to do all different types of simultaneous equations, even word problems. I think they'll be in the next part to this. So thanks for watching.
2 plus 3.7 equal altitude of trapezoid divided by equilateral triangle is a hypotenuse of 2x plus 7.